welcome to the stock market analysis. Let's take a look at MSTR, Microstrategy, and let's see what the stock is doing. So yesterday it kind of finds support at the 50 MA, so this will be a very important area for it. And if it's able to hold here, then maybe we can see a rise, or maybe rise up and make a double bottom. That would be the best to form a bottom in this short term. Now the stock has actually gone, let's see, from here to here, about 42.86% it has dropped, and that's not very good actually. If you look at the Fibonacci retracement from here to here, it's about sitting at the 50% mark. Fibonacci retracement at the 50% can be very good and very powerful. So let's see if this 50% holds or not. Now if we look at the 60-minute chart, what it is trying to do, I think it might be trying to break a downtrend line here. And yes, it has broken above this downtrend line, gone above the 20 MA and 50 MA, and that's a good sign. If we can have a bullish cross, then maybe we could start a new uptrend in the 60-minute chart. Here is like some kind of a double bottom or a variation of the ascending triangle pattern. But what is important is making a higher low. So the top of this ascending triangle pattern would be a support area. So this will be a short-term support area, and you want to take a look at it very carefully, because if we can stay above this support area and also the downtrend line, then we can see the stock moving higher. But definitely this area, this 50% retracement area, it's very important, and it must hold. If it does not hold, there's a possibility that Microstrategy might decline more. Let's take a look at the weekly chart for those of you who are investors. Form a high around here, so the whole area is also a support area. Alright. Usually all highs can be very good support areas. So for those of you who are looking at investing, you want to see a bullish reversal candlestick in the weekly chart around this area. Alright, let me just remove all drawings and go to Bitcoin, because Microstrategy is quite related to Bitcoin. This is a weekly chart of Bitcoin, and you can see there's quite a lot of support here. So it's very likely that Bitcoin might hold. It will not drop because of this support area here. So there is a cushion of support for Microstrategy as well. If you look at the daily chart, you want to look at whether this support holds or not. Right? If it stays above this area, most likely Bitcoin will move sideways, and then hopefully it can break out of this range. So it's trading in a range right now. You can see the tops here, the lows here. If it breaks below here, then it might not be very good for Microstrategy. But if it breaks above this area, then it will be quite good for Microstrategy. Now let me just take a look at the seasonality chart of Microstrategy. Now Microstrategy in April closed only 40% chance of it closed higher than it opened. In May, it's not good month for Microstrategy. Close up 0% chance of it closing higher. For the past 4 years, this is history. So when you trade Microstrategy, you might want to take that into consideration. If you look at Bitcoin as well, a look at Bitcoin USD. April, May, and June are not good months for Bitcoin, so that might affect MicroStrategy, which is so dependent on Bitcoin. So do take that into consideration. But anyway, if seasonality is just to guide us, to give us a bias, but if Bitcoin can break up above this area, then it would be good for MicroStrategy. So I hope that this analysis is helpful to you, right, to help you to make decisions. So see you in the next one.